So you want to celebrate a birthday, getting married, corporate events, hanging out with your crew, by going out to a pub, but you want to make it an experience, something new, something social, something active, like a bicycle, built for 15. Step 1, find your crew. Step 2, pick your tour. Pick the date for the wildest 2 hours of your bicycling life. And then check out. Step 3, meet your rolling guide, certified driver, and amateur DJ. Step 4, join the band. Say hello to the other passengers on the rolling funk wagon. Step 5, suit up. Step 6, jump on the barrel. Bring your pedaling game and move it. Work that tush. Sing, dance, rock out. Earn your drinks. Step 7, hydrate at 3 of Victoria's finest watering holes. Step 8, celebrate with your newfound barrel crew. Get the good times rolling. Start your steps today.